Hi y'all, so today we got our Misfits box, Misfits Market Box. We subscribed to, and we're going to show you what we got in it. And this time I prepared and I have the prices. So, okay, babe.
First we got
That's organic spring mix, which it has lettuce, greens, and chicories. And it was, let me see, okay, that one was, it was $3.39.
$3.39. Next up we've got,
I think I've got two of those.
I think so.
Yeah, there's two of these, and it is organic red kale. And I'm going to chop that up and add it to some salads. It's very high in iron, and for the two of them, it was $3.18.
Yeah.
Or maybe it was a piece. It doesn't say. Okay. Next, cilantro. And I thought there was two of them. Maybe not. The cilantro, yeah, there's only one, and it was $1.59. And it is organic bunched cilantro. So that's not bad for organic. Lay that on. Yeah. Okay. Next we have fennel, which I've never made fennel, used fennel. So I'm going to look up some recipes. I believe you can add it to salads. But that was organic fennel, $3.89. It looks a little sad, but
yeah, I've encountered these.
I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. You what?
So they have encountered those in the yard, but not.
No. Okay, open that up. Those are mushrooms. These are mushrooms, organic blue oyster mushrooms, and we've never tried blue oyster mushrooms. So, and they are fresh. Let me try one. I'm gonna try a little piece. I may make us a pizza with some of that on there. You can try a little piece, babe.
Just a little piece.
Here, taste a piece.
She's feeding me.
I didn't mean to stick my hand right there, but yes. So we're gonna try blue oyster mushrooms for our first time.
Yay!
This is a cool way to try stuff we never tried. That one was $5.39. That was a little more expensive. Okay, this is mushroom gnocchi, and yeah, I am going to try to make a soup with that. I've tried gnocchi, but not mushroom gnocchi, and that was, where did I see it? Oh, $2.19.
$2.19.
Is the ghee in there? Okay, no.
Yes.
Box. Okay.
It's right here, actually.
And there's the ghee. I want to try this. This is supposed to be better for you. I thought ghee was vegetarian, but I guess not. But you don't have to, the good thing is you don't have to refrigerate it. So
keto certified.
Yeah, keto is not the same as vegetarian though.
I know, I'm just throwing that out there because it's keto.
But yeah, so we don't have to refrigerate it when we're camping, so that's a good thing. And then we got, wait, let me see how much the ghee was. It was $9.99, but it's expensive everywhere. And then organic carrots. Look at all those pretty colors. Those are $1.29. So really, we didn't pay too much extra. Yeah, and it came in this nice lined box, and it had a freezer pack in it, which I stuck in my freezer because it's reusable. So I got that. That's a plus. And our total for this whole box was $37.90. And the way inflation is, I really don't feel like that's too bad. So I will let you know how everything tastes and stuff when we cook something with it.